Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The banh mi isn't just a sandwich, it's a culinary icon from Vietnam, celebrated worldwide for its incredible taste. This popular street food blends a rich history with dynamic flavors, creating a truly unique eating experience. We're talking about a sandwich that perfectly marries crispy bread with savory fillings, fresh herbs, and tangy pickles. Its journey began with French colonial influences, transforming the humble baguette into something distinctly Vietnamese. Over time, it grew into the beloved, accessible meal we know today. Each bite offers a satisfying mix of textures and tastes, which explains why the banh mi has captured so many hearts across the globe. A taste of history, the origins and evolution of banh mi. The journey of the banh mi is a fascinating story, blending global influences with local ingenuity. It shows how a simple food can become a hallmark of a nation's culinary identity. We explore its roots, from the arrival of French bread to its transformation into the uniquely Vietnamese sandwich we adore today. The French connection, from baguette to banh mi. When the French arrived in Vietnam, they brought with them their culinary traditions, including their beloved baguette. For many Vietnamese, this long, crusty bread was a new experience. Initially, baguettes were a luxury, mainly for the French colonists and wealthier Vietnamese. However, local bakers soon began to adapt. Vietnamese bakers started making their own versions of the baguette. They used different flours, often a mix of wheat and rice flour. This blend created a lighter, airier loaf with a thinner, crunchier crust. This new bread was better suited to Vietnam's humid climate and local tastes. It was also more affordable, making it accessible to a wider audience. This lighter bread laid the groundwork for the banh mi as we know it now. Post-colonial innovation, filling the sandwich with Vietnamese flavors. After French colonial rule ended, Vietnamese ingredients and cooking styles truly took over. The once simple French bread became a canvas for vibrant Vietnamese flavors. This period marked a significant shift, transforming a European concept into a distinctly Vietnamese meal. Key ingredients began to define the banh mi. Pate, often made from pork liver, it adds a rich, savory depth. Various cold cuts, these include Vietnamese ham, char lua, head cheese, or cured pork belly. These additions provide different textures and tastes. Fresh herbs, cilantro, mint, and basil provide a burst of freshness. They cut through the richness of the meats and pate. Pickled vegetables, typically daikon and carrots, du chua, these offer a tangy, crunchy counterpoint. They balance the sandwich's savory elements. Chili peppers, for those who like a kick, fresh or pickled chilies add heat. This blend of textures and tastes turned the banh mi into a staple. It quickly became a beloved street food, representing Vietnam's inventive spirit and its ability to take foreign ideas and make them uniquely their own. Deconstructing the delicious, key components of a perfect banh mi. Understanding the banh mi means looking at its core ingredients. Each part plays a vital role in creating that famous taste and texture. From the bread to the seasonings, every element has a purpose. Let's break down what goes into making this incredible sandwich. The crispy foundation, the banh mi baguette. The bread is where it all begins for any banh mi. It isn't just any baguette. A true banh mi baguette has a distinct appeal. It features a very thin, crackly crust that shatters with each bite. Inside, the bread is remarkably soft and airy, almost cloud-like. This specific texture is crucial. It provides a delightful contrast to the fillings without being too heavy. The lightness of the bread ensures the sandwich doesn't feel dense. This allows the other flavors to shine through beautifully, making every part of the banh mi experience enjoyable. Savory fillings, meats, pates, and cold cuts. The fillings are the heart of the banh mi, offering a rich variety of savory tastes. Many sandwiches feature a mix of these delicious ingredients. Each one adds its own special layer of flavor and texture. Common fillings include Vietnamese ham, char lua. This is a smooth, delicate pork sausage with a mild, savory taste. It adds a pleasant, subtle richness. Head cheese, nem chua, often overlooked. This offers a unique texture and a tangy, slightly spicy kick. It brings an interesting complexity to the sandwich. Grilled pork, thit-nuong, marinated and often slightly sweet. This pork is bursting with robust, smoky flavor. It is a popular choice for its satisfying taste and tender bite. Pate, pate, usually made from pork liver, pate provides a creamy, earthy richness. It spreads easily and coats the palate with its distinctive depth. These elements work together, giving the banh mi its signature hearty and complex character. The zesty crunch, pickled vegetables and fresh herbs. To cut through the richness of the meats, banh mi relies on bright, fresh additions. Pickled vegetables and fresh herbs bring a crucial balance. They add both flavor and texture. Pickled daikon and carrots, du chua, are essential. These vegetables are thinly sliced and marinated in a sweet and sour brine. They provide a wonderful crunch and a tangy zest to every bite. This tanginess prevents the sandwich from feeling too heavy. Fresh herbs also play a vital role. They provide a burst of freshness and aromatic notes. Common herbs include cilantro, known for its bright, slightly peppery flavor. Mint adds a cool, refreshing counterpoint. Thai basil contributes a distinctive, slightly anisey aroma. These herbs elevate the sandwich, adding a clean, vibrant lift to the overall flavor profile. The secret sauce, mayonnaise and chili. Finally, the finishing touches tie all the flavors together. A simple mayonnaise often forms the base spread. Sometimes, a richer, house-made aioli-like spread called bo is used instead. This adds a creamy texture and subtle richness that coats the palate. For those who enjoy a little heat, fresh chilies or a touch of chili sauce are often included. These provide a welcome kick, waking up the taste buds and adding another layer of excitement. This combination of creamy and spicy elements truly rounds out the banh mi, harmonizing all the diverse flavors into one perfect bite. Beyond the classic, popular banh mi variations. While the traditional banh mi with its mix of cold cuts and pate is a timeless favorite, Vietnam's culinary creativity doesn't stop there. The beauty of banh mi lies in its versatility, offering a spectrum of flavors through various fillings. This part of the video explores some of the most popular variations, showing just how diverse and delightful this iconic sandwich can be beyond its classic form. Banh mi thit nuong, grilled pork banh mi. Banh mi thit nuong stands out as a beloved choice, celebrating the irresistible flavors of marinated and grilled pork. Imagine tender slices of pork, infused with a smoky sweetness and savory depth, caramelized to perfection. This isn't just any pork, it's often marinated in a blend of fish sauce, sugar, garlic, and lemongrass, creating a truly aromatic experience. When you bite into a banh mi thit nuong, the grilled pork usually pairs with a medley of fresh ingredients. These include the staple pickled daikon and carrots, crisp cucumbers, and a generous sprig of cilantro. Sometimes, a drizzle of scallion oil or a sprinkle of crushed peanuts adds another layer of texture and taste, making each bite complex and satisfying. Banh mi gar, chicken banh mi. For those seeking a lighter alternative to pork, banh mi gar offers a delicious solution. This variation features shredded or stir-fried chicken as its star. The chicken is often seasoned with aromatic spices, sometimes even lightly curried or prepared with lemongrass, giving it a unique flavor profile. It's a fantastic option if you prefer white meat. The filling in a banh mi gar might include thinly sliced chicken breast or thigh, prepared to be both tender and flavorful. It often comes dressed with a touch of mayonnaise, fresh herbs, and the essential pickled vegetables. This combination ensures a sandwich that is both refreshing and filling, a delightful contrast to richer meat options. That's the first part of our guide to banh mi. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.